Sure, we've all eaten dark chocolate before. Today we will show you how it is made. These look like stones. Is the raw material for chocolate production cocoa beans. Before processing, cocoa beans must first go through a screening process. After screening, the beans enter a huge rotating micromill. Here the beans are heated. The kernels are completely separated from the hulls. Then they enter the hulling machine on a strongly shaking filter. The large pieces of the shells are removed. Then the vacuum sucks away the remaining small pieces. After the grinding process, the liquid that remains is the cocoa juice. It is the natural fat of the cocoa beans. It is also the only thing that defines the value of chocolate. The price per ton is around $80,000, but the price with cocoa juice is only about $5,000 per ton. And the taste of cocoa butter. The taste of cacao juice is very different from that of natural cacao juice. Excessive consumption can lead to various diseases. Therefore, many countries have restricted the use of cocoa juice. If you want to make chocolate from cacao juice, the workers have to add processed beans, cocoa juice and sugar to it. If you want to make milk chocolate, milk powder is also added. Before processing the chocolate, the workers will grind the beans. The heat and friction will make the cocoa juice more active into a pure liquid chocolate syrup. Then the chocolate is ready to be made. This drip machine is filled with the chocolate solution after it has been mixed. The chocolate is dripped onto a tray on a conveyor belt. Stay in the cooling tunnel for about 5 minutes when their temperature drops to about 4 degrees. Before they come out of the cooling tunnel, follow the conveyor belt through the metal detector, ensuring food safety standards are met. These molds are the models for making chocolate flakes. After the chocolate is filled into the freezer for about 2 hours, the chocolates are ready for the market.